Hey, this is Charlie Stocker with Hey Charlie Stocker on Facebook, and I want to introduce my friend. Everybody, I'm known as the garden guy, but I'm not. This is the garden guy right here. He always comes around in the fall, seems to disappear after Christmas, but this is the garden guy, and we want to share with you some information that will be helpful for you and maybe clear up some misunderstandings about fall gardening, etc., and some things you can do. And the first thing I want to look at is this is a hydrangea. And we get so many calls into the television station that say, well, what's wrong with my hydrangea leaf? How come it has all those dots and blemishes on it? What's wrong with it, and what can I spray on it? Well, that's not the attitude to have in terms of, well, what can I do in terms of spraying an insecticide on it? Stop there. All this is just like we old people's skin kind of gets wrinkled. Well, this is at the end of the season, and these blemishes are totally normal for hydrangeas and so many other plants. So don't worry about the looks of a hydrangea towards the end of the season, or for that matter, any of your other plants, because that is totally natural, okay? Now, a second question that we've had from several people is, how do I get rid of moss out of my lawn? How do I get rid of moss off of some of my areas where I can't grow grass? And moss loves wet and shady conditions. So if you can remove those two environmental conditions of shade and a lot of moisture, you will be successful in eliminating a lot of the moss. But here's the chemical you use if you really want to pell-mell get rid of all of it, and that's any compound that has ferrous sulfate in it. Ferrous sulfate. When you use that and you put it over the top of the moss, for the most part, you'll get rid of all of it. This is Charlie Stocker with Hey Garden Guy. Have a great day.